In this video, I'll be showing you how to use iPad as second monitor on MacBook. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's really easy to do this, and you can do it with any iPad and any MacBook you have. However, they have to be signed into the same Apple ID or iCloud account, and you have to be on the same Wi-Fi network and make sure Bluetooth is on both devices, otherwise it's not going to work. So on your MacBook, if you want to see your iPad screen, all you're going to do is on the top right of your screen, you're going to see this control center icon. From here, once you go ahead and click on it, you want to go to the display settings block, which is going to be this icon right here. Go ahead and click on it, and then as long as your iPad's unlocked and it has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connected, you're going to see mirror and extend to, and then it's going to show your iPad right here. So go ahead and click on that, and then all you're going to basically see is on your MacBook, on your iPad, you're going to see your MacBook screen, and then you can just use it as a second screen, and yeah, you can use it however you want. So as you can see, my iPad screen is right here, my Mac screen is right there. It's now connected, and yeah, it's a second screen. Obviously, if you have a stand, it's going to be better, and you can just use it as a proper second screen, and then that's literally it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.